Leak code 36, valid Sudoku. We are given a 9x9 grid filled with integers from 1 to 9 and see if it matches a valid Sudoku board, meaning that each row, column, and 3x3 subbox does not contain any duplicate digits. If the entire grid satisfies this condition, then it is valid. If we were to insert 8 into this grid position here, then the column, row, and subbox that the 8 is in will conflict with another 8, making it invalid. To check if a board is valid, we'll create 3 dictionaries for the rows, columns, and square. Each dictionary will map keys to a set that we will use to check for duplicates. For rows, we'll map the row number to the sets. Similarly, we'll map each column number to a set. For the 3x3 squares, we'll use a coordinate and map that to each set. This coordinate will consist of a row and column value ranging from 0 to 2. The top left box will be 0, 0, the one to the right will be 0, 1, and at the right, 0, 2. Starting at the next row, we'll begin at 1, 0, 1, 1, then 1, 2. And finally, the bottom left will be 2, 0, then 2, 1, and finally 2, 2 at the bottom right. To find the coordinate, we'll take our row and column values, then divide them by 3. The floored values will correspond to the 3x3 grid that our square is in. Now we can start iterating through our grid. We will check if the corresponding row, column, and square set contains our value. If it does, then we have a duplicate value and will return false. Otherwise, we'll add it to the sets and continue. If we see a blank square, we'll just continue as it doesn't interfere with our valid Sudoku. If we reach the very end of the grid without triggering any of the duplicate checks, then we have a valid Sudoku and we return true. And here's the code for